ମୋତେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରଭାବ ପଡ଼େନି। ମୋତେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରଭାବ ପଡ଼େନି। ଇଟ୍ ଡଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ମି ଇନ୍ ଏନି ୱେ। ଇଟ୍ ଡଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ମି ଇନ୍ ଏନି ୱେ। ପ୍ରଭାବ ମାନେ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ। ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ଓକେ। କିଛି ଭଲ ହେବନି। କିଛି ଭଲ ହେବନି। ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଗୁଡ୍ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍ ଆଉଟ୍। ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଗୁଡ୍ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍ ଆଉଟ୍। ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବାର ନାହିଁ। There is nothing else to discuss. There is nothing else to discuss. तुम पाखरे आउ कौनसी विकल्प अच्छे? Do you have any other option? Do you have any other option? तुम्हें सेटा तो बुझु ना? That is what you don't understand. That is what you don't understand. तुम बुझुचु मु कौन कहूची? Do you understand what I am saying? Do you get what I am saying? Do you get where I am coming from? We can say भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार। तुमको कौन है? What's up with you? What's the matter with you? भी कही परिबा। एमतिरे भी तुम्हें बुझिबोनी। You won't understand it anyway. You won't understand it anyway. Simple. तुमको वास्तवता को सामना करिया को पड़िबो। You have to face the reality. You have to face the reality. मु पढ़िया को बाहर देश को जीवी। I'll go overseas to study. I'll go overseas to study. Overseas meaning abroad. I'll go abroad to study. से बाहर देश रे 5 वर्ष रहिला। He lived overseas for 5 years. He lived abroad for 5 years. ए सब कथा एबे बाहर करने। Don't bring up all this now. Don't bring up this topic now. We can say. या छड़ा सेतरे आउ किछि नाही। या छड़ा सेतरे आउ किछि नाही। There is nothing else besides this. There is nothing else besides this. Besides माने या छड़ा। Besides this या छड़ा। जीवा पई काम करियो को पड़ियो। We have to work for survival. We have to work for survival. Survival माने जीवा, जीविका पाई। मु किछ कहले राग नहीं। If I say something, please don't get mad. If I say something, please don't get mad. Mad अबा अर्थ एटी रागिबा, पागल ही जीवा, गुस्सा ही जीवा exactly. मते हबने मोर बहुत काम अच्छे। I can't make it. I have a lot of work. I can't make it. I have a lot of work. Can't make it अर्थ मु पारिबिनी मो द्वारा हबने। सपोजिंगली आपन को फ्रेंड आपन को कोटी डाकू छंते। Then you say I can't make it. I have a lot of work. से बंची पारला ने। He could not make it. He could not make it. Make it करिया अर्थ जीवा कौन से सिचुएशन थ्रू रु गति करी सक्सीड करी जीवा। सो एतरे से बंची पारलानी। ही कुड नॉट मेक इट। कौन सी डिजीज थिला, कौन सी हेल्थ इश्यूज थिला, सेटू से बंची पारलाने। मो पई हबने। मते किछि अलगा भाबबार अछि। इट वोंट वर्क फॉर मी। आई हैव टू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग एल्स। It won't work for me. मो पई हबने। मो पई काम करिवनी। I will have to think of something else. मते किछि अलगा भाबिबार अछि। तमे ता जागरे रही कि देख। You put yourself in his shoes and see. Put yourself in his shoes and see. निजको का जागर रही कि देखिबा अर्थ putting ourselves in their shoes. एटा कर नहले बेकार ही जीवो। You do it, otherwise it will be in vain. you do it, otherwise it will be in vain. So there, thank you very much for watching. ଆମେ next video ରେ ଦେଖିବା ଏ ପ୍ରକାର beautiful sentences. Till then, you take care and have fun. Please चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवे, लाइक करिवे, कमेंट करिवे, शेयर करंतु. Thank you.